In most cases, installing 5x150 rear spaces on your Dodge Challenger won't void the car warranty. As long as they fit properly and are correctly torqued, these 5x150 rear spaces won't damage your cars. Different brands may have different regulations, so it is recommended to check carefully before installing. As manufacturing technology improves, Dodge Challenger rear spaces are getting more durable and tough. As long as you install them correctly, brand hub-centric spaces will have a negligible effect on the suspension part. In other words, even with long-term use, your car warranty is not affected by Dodge Challenger rear spaces. Even some famous aftermarket wheel manufacturers offer Dodge Challenger rear spaces to fit their wheels. For decades, Dodge Challenger rear spaces has been used widely on many vehicles with no problem. Just get the top quality Dodge Challenger 5x150 rear spaces, and you can make the car perform better and look more stylish. Brand spacer manufacturers spend much time, money, and reassurance to optimize the spacer design. Get genuine Dodge Challenger rear spacers and have them installed by professionals, then there is nothing to worry about, since the spacer is a connecting part that holds the vehicle top and the wheel together. Precise Dodge Challenger rear spacers are the best options. BONOSS Dodge Challenger rear spacers are generally produced by 0.02 mm CNC machining, which ensures a smooth surface and stable construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advanced mechanics undergoes a series of safety tests. They are approved by SGS and PUV. These SGS and PUV certified tire spacers are completely safe to use. BONOSS Dodge Challenger rear spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger rear spacers are designed with heat dissipation tools to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These tools allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Dodge Challenger rear spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Additionally, BONOSS Dodge Challenger rear spacers offer a 10-year warranty. Therefore, if you intend to buy good spacers, the BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger rear spacers will be a perfect option.